Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. Today we're going to have a look at these snap-on searchlights from ViFly. They go right onto the front of the Neo2. Let's check them out. So this dual pack of searchlights for the Neo2 clips right onto the front, and they provide you searchlights in the front, downward-facing lights as well. The kit was provided to me by ViFly in exchange for this review, but as always, I'll give you an honest assessment. So far, thumbs up. They're very cool. The searchlight kit comes in this great little box, tough and compact, so you can tuck it in your backpack and no big deal. Inside, the tiniest little instruction manual you'll ever see, but you don't really need it. Both of them are sitting in here. There's no charge cable or anything that comes with it. Charges up with a USB-C connection right there. Each one is independent. And there's a frontward-facing searchlight and a downward-facing downward light. And just one button, labeled button. Long press on there. And both lights come on. You can probably see how bright they are. And then a single press cycles through 3 different modes. Starts with the both lights on, one press forward, another press downward only, and then third press and you're back to both lights being on. All right, and to install them, they're real easy, unless they're turned on, in which case you go blind. Long press to turn them off again. So they plug into the Neo2's front grille here in the little notches that stick out. So the right one goes on, probably the right one, and all you do is just kind of hold on to that, and you kind of have to wiggle them in because they're a very tight squeeze to go on. Whoops, my gimbal guard just came off. But you can see they just kind of pop on and clip on real tight. It is a little tricky to remove these things. You have to kind of squeeze the little pins together and give it a wiggle, and then they start to come out. There we go. And they do come out without breaking anything, and if I did have this pop off one time. So anyway, they do come off fairly easily. Bit of a pain, but you don't want them falling off, so that's a good thing. All right, take off. They sure are bright. So I don't see any difference in terms of flight performance. Now it's a very calm day, so hard to say exactly, but I don't see anything particularly different about how it's flying with these on, so that's a good thing. They only weigh 22 grams together, so not a big deal really. Is it sitting any differently in the air? No, I would say the machine is compensating perfectly for whatever weight there is. Let's try it in the basement. It's pitch black down here other than the searchlights and what's on my display here. Let's try her out. Now, I don't have a GPS lock down here. But wow. Sure easy to see where I'm going. A little bit of dust I'm kicking up. Yeah, you can see where you're going. I'm not getting a light warning on my controller. Whoops. I had to turn my obstacle sensors off. There I am. Hi! Oh, I forgot to wave. There we go. Yeah, it is cool. Really good level of illumination and very easy to see where you're going on the display. And apparently it's helping with the vision sensing because I'm not getting any warning about it being too dark or anything like that. Whoopsie. Yeah, that's actually amazing. So yeah, the ViFly Neo2 Beam Searchlight dual pack. That's what this thing is called. There will be a link in the description below, and maybe even a discount code. I would say these things are great for fun, great for flying at night or in the dark. They work perfectly fine in pitch black situations. And at 22 grams, they're not providing any significant issue in terms of the Neo2's operation. And yeah, I would say they work really, really well. A lot of fun for your Neo2.